This is my turtle Godzilla. She's a queen in her 70-gallon tank with a UVB filter that only turns on for 4 hours a day via smart plug. There's an app that connects to it so you can set the timer. And then she has the regular filter that's always on, this one. And then she has the other filter, which is the Tetrafauna Aquarium thing, which is a waterfall, but these two things are also filters, so it sucks it up from the bottom. And then there's, like, you could open this. I think that's a filter as well, slash her mountain, slash her mansion. And then I boosted it up with 2 bricks to make it taller because this is like a bigger gallon tank. Like, she's not an infant anymore, so it's a bigger tank, so you need to make it taller. And then just some lining on the side, some filtration liner, just so nothing gets contaminated into the rock filtration system, which are just stones from Home Depot, which you kind of have to use hot water to clean before you put it in. And there's the light, the UV lamp. It's part of the tank. This tank is from PetSmart. That's a UVB lamp. This one's a regular fluorescent one because she doesn't need to tan over there. So she can bask under this one, which turns on. So yeah, that's the turtle setup. Also, her water has not been changed for 2.5 months. So she's still in crystal clear water because the UVB filter kills all the bacteria, and so does the regular UVB up there. Yes, say cheese. She doesn't know what's going on. Why is she such a lady?